नितिन, आप रिटायर हो रहे हो, आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। आपने अच्छी जॉब की थी है, अच्छी तरह का इज्जत नाल रिटायर हो रहे हो। और बच्चे आप आगे बच्चों दी खुशियां देखो, सारे बच्चों दी शादियां करो, असी भी देखिए, सारा परिवार आवे। और कविता ने भी बधाई देना, और तरन रेखा सब परिवार ਨੂੰ खुशियां देखन, सब दे बच्चों दी शादियां करना।
Congratulations, Nityan. I'm very happy for you that you have successfully completed your one phase of life, that is working, and now you will be totally mine. And I always told you that 2 टकियां दी नौकरी ते मेरे लखां दा सावन जाए, बस इस सावन में you are totally mine and we'll enjoy life fully. Although it is not like that we were not enjoying, we were of course enjoying, and I always felt that we are made for each other. And I'm very thankful for you showing so much of confidence in me. You always told me that, Kavita, when you are there, I am totally relaxed, that you will be taking proper care of kids and the family. So now we both will together take it forward.
Congratulations, Papa, on your superannuation. You are a man of principles, and you'll have a lot of fun after retirement. Hope you enjoyed your 38-year job, and congratulations again.
Hello, bhai. Allow me sharing golden memory of 1982. This was the year when you wanted to take off some of the burden from Papaji's shoulders. Since then, it's been 38 years of your illustrious and successful career with TCS. And now the spotlight shifts from your professional front to furtherance of personal goals.
We are wishing you much more fun,
good health, trekking and nature walk,
binging your favorite movies. All the best.
Congratulations, Gulati ji, on your superannuation. You have given your most precious 38 years to TCS. When you joined TCS, it was like a little tree. Now it has grown into a huge big tree. It is due to your hard work and dedication. And you have enormous quality. You believe in simplicity. You remain always calm and cool. It is your best quality, I think. Now you have more time to relax, to go park, to visit sanctuaries, to reading, to travel, to do WhatsApp chat, whatever you want to do. At last, I again congratulate you. I pray God for your good health in the forthcoming life.
Congratulations, Vaisa, for your dedicated and successful career. Now you are going to start a new inning of your life. We wish and pray to Almighty God that your new journey will be as great as the earlier one. God bless you with good health and happiness in the forthcoming years. All the best for your future life. Thank you.
Papa, you are achieving a great milestone. You have been an exponent of loyalty for your organization for last 38 years, and you have worked with utmost sincerity and hard work, and you have been an immense inspiration for all of us. And I would like to let you know that I am immensely proud of being your son-in-law, and I would like to congratulate you once again and wish you all the best for your upcoming phase in life. Thank you.
congratulations, happy retirement.
Yes.
Congratulations, happy retirement. Now no more orders from your boss, only orders from your wife, kids and grandkids. So enjoy this phase, pursue your hobbies, enjoy your life, a healthy life, and lots of love, lots of energy to you. All the best. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Happy retirement. All the best.
All the best.
Enjoy your life.
Best of luck.
Hi Nitin.
Hello Nityan Mama ji.
Hi Nitin,
Wish you a very happy retirement day. I think you've earned it with flawless, brilliant, unbroken service of 30 odd years. And I think now you really need a break, which will come in the form of retirement, which can probably be the best phase of your life. Wish you a happy retired life.
And lots of good time with Kavita, Raghav, Vedika, Devansh and Ashish, and come to Bombay.
Hello Nitin, welcome to the new stage of your life when every day is going to be a weekend. You won't remember the day, the date. You can spend as much time on your mobile, TV, sit on the sofa in the living room, read newspaper. You have to get used to people calling you a veteran, a legend, an old timer, a guiding light, plus a wise old man.
And also a senior citizen claiming all the financial and other benefits. It's time to be your own boss, enjoying every moment of your new freedom. Congratulations.
Congratulations, stay blessed.
Hello Nityan.
Congratulations on your retirement.
A new phase of life begins. You have to recalibrate yourself. You will spend much more time at home with family, with friends, with children, grandchildren, and much less time on the road every day to Gurgaon. Recalibrate your life and start enjoying small things in life, like work at home, helping Kavita. Your utensils will be all shining.
With jhadu pocha.
And lots of new dishes to cook, birds to watch on your terrace, and all the best.
And look after the plants in the your little garden on the terrace.
And keep us updated how you get along. Okay, bye-bye.
Hi, how are you? Today is a very special day in your life. You have successfully completed long tenure with TCS. You are such a great man and a role model for everybody. We wish you all the success in life and all the best for the next phase of your life. All the best. Congratulations.
Congratulations and wish you all the best.
On this occasion of superannuation of Nityan, I want to wish him all the success, good health, happiness, and fulfilling life. Nityan is a gem as individual and professional as well. He is very humble and simple, at the same time very well aware of social cause and issues, and we are very proud of him. I have seen him how he manages his time on weekends for his family, and during the day he was so committed to his official or professional life, and I wish him all the best for his second inning, and God bless him. Thank you so much.
Happy retirement to you. Happy retirement to you. You have worked so hard. You have worked so hard. Wish you all the best. Now forget all the tensions and enjoy your life to the best. You are so humble, so nice, so good. We are so proud of you. Happy retirement to you. Happy retirement to you, Nityan Jijaji. Happy retirement, Jijaji. All the best.
Hello, happy retirement, all the best.
Happy retirement, all the best.
Happy retirement, all the best, Jijaji.
Hi Nityan Mamaji. Congratulations on your retirement.
Enjoy this new phase of your life.
Do all the things that you've always wanted to and you never had time for.
Good luck.
Stay healthy
and happy.
Congratulations.
हेलो जिया जी, आपका एक न्यू फेज शुरू हो रहा है, सो विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी हेल्दी लाइफ पोस्ट रिटायरमेंट, एंड आपकी बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज़ हैं जिनसे हम सीखते हैं. यू आर वेरी क्वाइटली एडमायर्ड,
और आप जीजा जी बहुत नॉलेजेबल हो. हमेशा जब भी आपसे बात करते हैं तो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता है. होप आप वो सब कंटिन्यू करोगे और ज़िंदगी में जो भी आप टाइम ना होने की वजह से नहीं कर पाए आप वो कर पाओगे अब.
And good luck, enjoy time with family and continue your traveling and adventurous spirit. Good luck.
Congratulations Nityan Jia for completion of your service tenure with TCS. It's a big milestone and a great achievement. Your contribution to the organization will be an asset forever. You have been hardworking, sincere and honest and be a role model for all of us. Wishing you good luck for the next phase of life and once again congratulations to everyone.
Many congratulations Jia, Fufi and entire family. Good luck.
Hello, Masi, Mausaji, Raghav, Vedika, how are you? मौसाजी की superannuation पे बहुत congratulations. I hope you will all enjoy his retirement together as a family and have a good time together. Bye bye.
Namaste Kulati Sahab. Warm welcome on joining the elite group of retirees now. I always hold you in high esteem due to your simplicity, modesty and above all intelligence. May Almighty God bless you with a very happy, long, healthy, peaceful, blissful and spiritual life ahead. Since you all are already travel buffs as such, I am sure you are going to make use of this time now and explore the remaining destinations in India and abroad. All the best and keep enjoying with your family.
Happy retirement, Bhai Sahab. God bless you.
Namaste, Uncle.
Namaste, Uncle.
Congratulations on commencement of new chapter of your life. I hope this chapter will be as glorious and satisfying as your professional chapter was. Now it's time to pursue your passion full time, which I understand is traveling. Travel all around the world with Auntie and keep sending us pics and videos so that we can also see the world through your eyes.
And today in the private sector, where we see almost everyone switching jobs so frequently, you have had an illustrious career spanning more than 38 years in a reputed firm like TCS. What an amazing milestone, Uncle, and it speaks volumes of your dedication and loyalty towards the organization. Also, from the many qualities that you possess, I'd like to highlight one that we all admire, which is your serenity, the calm and easygoing temperament, and that's quite uncommon nowadays. Also, Uncle, interestingly, you are sharing your retirement month with MS Dhoni, who's Raghav's favorite.
We wish you a very happy and healthy retirement life, Uncle. Congratulations. God bless you. All the best.
All the best, Uncle. God bless you.
Yes.
Happy retirement.